Okay, as you guys know, I'm going crazy on reviews today. But yeah, here's animated, Energon Prowl. I'll go on into his articulation. Let's go up like that. To go down. This part was cut down. I think I remember this part was, I know. They can go upside, down, up, down, his hand can move around. This can move in, move. But yeah, let's see. His head, it goes down, looks up, looks down, rotates all the way around. These go down, up, rotate all the way around. Bend, down, rotate, side, rotate, bend. There's a lot of articulation, I'll just say that. This is one of the most articulated figures I have, but yeah. And then precise conversions. Here he is to another deluxe. They're about the same size. Yeah, that's gonna just be it. But actually, I need it to be longer, so this one's gonna be the precise conversions. I have a whole bunch of them ready for you. Now, here he is. Compared to Energon Optimus. Just figured they were both Energons. I didn't just figure it out. I just remembered. So yeah, Energon Optimus and Energon Prowl. Take Optimus away. Here is this deluxe class toy. He looks the same size. Or, I don't know, I shouldn't be wrong. He's smaller. No, same size. But, here's deluxe Lockdown, one of the tallest dogs. I don't know if he is. Maybe, who knows? But here he is. Looks like that. Goes around here. His waist. There we go. Next, Bumblebee. I lost his head somehow in the car. Been looking forever for it. Yeah. Somehow, I don't know, guys, but I remember. Just please subscribe if you have a YouTube channel. Tell me if these was a right, if you have this Bumblebee transformer, if this was the right way, it's supposed to be right. That would be 7 of them. But if Bumblebee had a head, Bumblebee would be about the same size. And here's the really small deluxe. You see, it goes to his chest thing. Oh. There was something there. My Ravage just got sent. I was going to review on Ravage. Today's crazy. See, goes to his chest thing and Ravage right there. As you can see, he's smaller than Ironhide. Goes to the bottom of his head. Same movie Ratchet. I don't got him totally transformed. Same movie Ratchet. And movie Jazz is the same size as him. So yeah. That's all the size comparisons. But there's one more. Oh yeah, you already know he is. You need a leader in like everything. But here's how small he is compared to Optimus Prime. Yep. Yeah. You can't even see this guy, so I think probably time you do the review for him. Yeah. This guy goes like in the bottom of his waist, kind of right there. Yeah. I'll show you how to transfer. Put those down. This is gonna be too long. Put those forward. Push this in. Keep those in like that. Take these out like that. Push this back. Push that forward. Like that. Then put these down. Then put these out. Pull these in. Sorry about the caution. Forgot to do it. But as you can see, he's blue, white, and grayish color. Probably gonna have too much time. I'm gonna have to do this one again. But yeah, there he is in his vehicle mode. I got one. Pretty much, this guy's a little bit, yeah, same size, except this guy's a little bit taller, part of it, but, and his width is a little farther in. So yeah, there we go. His articulation is at 7, actually at 8 out of 8. His robot mode is a 8 out of 8. Vehicle mode 9 out of 9. 10 out of 10 actually. Really good. Whole figure I give it a 9 out of 9. I mean 9 out of 10. And